Hi, my name is Michael Bellamo.
Hi, my name is Demarcus. I'm actually from Texas.
Hello, my name is Benjamin. I'm from America.
As you can see, I just had a hair transplant at the Heva Clinic.
So if you're thinking about, if you're one of those people that, kind of want your hair back and looking into different places, the Heva Clinic in Turkey is definitely the place to visit. You won't regret it at all, and I'm so thankful that I finally made this decision to come, and I hope all of you make that same decision. I recommend
The best. I was escorted to my hotel with 5-star accommodations. The hotel was wonderful, the food was wonderful. From there, the next day, I was picked up, taken to the clinic where I was...
Aside from that, my visit here has been extremely good. As you can see, they've taken really good care of me. They've made sure to put a large number of transplants in. I should get plenty of density, some good growth there. I like the fact they have Aftercare. You can get some products from them that way.
regardless of the length of what it took, it wasn't that long at all, and they made sure I got the look that I was looking for. So if you're looking into getting a hair transplant, the Heva Clinic is Turkey's definitely your place to look at.
Would suggest coming here. Everyone is nice, everyone is ready to help you, answer your questions. So I really enjoyed my experience, and if I ever have to come back for anything other treatment, I will definitely be coming to Heva Clinic.
I guess if I had to say anything, I'm very pleased with how thorough the process is, how well they explain to you what to expect, and your aftercare when you're done. Again, that's something that a top-notch clinic like this will do.